Welcome back to Silicophilic. Windows 11 just unlocked a hidden eye protection feature most people haven't been noticed. It's designed to reduce strain and could even replace night light entirely. Here is what to do at the end so you can turn it on right now. The secret feature hiding inside Windows 11. So imagine this, it's late at night, you are editing videos, writing code, watching YouTube, scrolling endlessly, and suddenly your eyes start burning. Your screen feels way too bright. White backgrounds look aggressive and your eyes feel completely exhausted. Now normally most people turn on night light, but Microsoft is secretly testing something much bigger inside Windows 11 preview builds. A brand new feature called Screen Tint. This feels way more advanced than the old night light mode. Check if you have the feature. Now before we start, the feature is currently hidden inside newer Windows Insider preview builds. So if you are on the regular public version of Windows 11, you probably won't see it yet. Because a lot of these hidden Windows features don't automatically appear. So here is what you do. Open Settings, then go to Windows Update, then Windows Insider Program. Join the Insider channel, and if you want access to experimental features, now once you are inside the Insider program, here is how to check. Open Settings, then go to Accessibility. Now scroll down until you find Screen Tint, and this is where things get interesting. Because instead of one basic orange filter like Night Light, Microsoft is now adding multiple visual presets. The new Screen Tint modes. Inside Screen Tint, you will see different color modes designed for different eye conditions and environments. Some of these are surprisingly useful. Calm Amber. This is basically the upgraded night light mode, perfect for late night work, long editing sessions, coding, reading. It removes harsh blue light and makes white backgrounds much softer. Rose Tint. This one is designed for people sensitive to bright lightning or migraines. If you suffer from light sensitivity, this could genuinely help. Soft Yellow. This mode reduces visual stress, especially useful if bright white backgrounds feel uncomfortable while reading documents or browsing websites. Cool Blue. Now this one sounds weird at first, but because blue light is usually the thing people try to remove. But this tint actually helps reduce glare sensitivity in extremely bright environments, especially during daytime use. Gentle Green. This is aimed at reducing discomfort from starting strong white backgrounds. Some people find green overlays much easier on the eyes than orange filters. Natural Gray. This one reduces harsh black and white contrast, which can make Windows feel less visually aggressive overall, especially on high brightness monitors. How to create your own custom screen tint. Now here is the really interesting part. Microsoft is also allowing custom screen tint colors. Here is how to do it. Inside Screen Tint, click Customer Color. Now you can manually adjust red, green, blue, or even after a hex color code directly. So technically you can build your own perfect screen filter. And once you choose a color, you can adjust the strength slider underneath. This means you control how intense the tint becomes. Why this is actually a big deal. Now this might sound like a tiny feature. However, it matters more than people think because monitors today are insanely bright, especially gaming monitors, HDR displays, OLED laptops, and high refresh panels, and people are staring at screens longer than even before. So Microsoft moving beyond basic night light actually makes sense. This feels like less like a gimmick and more like a proper accessibility upgrade. Night light versus screen tint. Now here is the big difference. Night light was simple. It basically just added an orange overlay. That's it. But screen tint feels more personalized. You get different colors, different strengths, different color comfort modes. That's probably what Windows needed from the beginning. You should try it, especially if you work long hours on PC, edit videos, code, read documents constantly, game late at night, or suffer from eye strain. This could become one of those features you turn on once and never disable again. So Microsoft might have quietly added one of the most useful Windows 11 accessibility upgrades yet. This is the kind of feature that actually improves daily PC use. If you want more hidden Windows 11 features, upcoming updates, and secret tools Microsoft is testing, make sure you subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one.